buy the nice bag, but I don't want to spend $200 on a Twilly.
That's kind of fun, right? You saw it here first. I'm starting this trend. I tie them to make them stand out a little bit more, right?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike. I'm a fashion freak, a Goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic sister, and MS whole. And today we're going to be doing a quick style tip, me starting a trend, a Twilly trend, Twilly tips, Twilly talk. Quick Twilly talks about tying Twillies on not your Hermes bags, which everyone does, not your fancy other bags, your Goyard bags, your Goyard tote bags. So that's doing your shit, and please stick around. Please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, it's gonna be real quick, super quick, but I've started doing. Basically, I've been doing this, and I've been doing it a lot. I think I've talked about this before, but I tie Twillies on my Goyard tote bags. I tie them really tight, pull really hard, and they kind of like fit perfectly. And I'm not like, these aren't like, it's an easy like way to protect the leather and protect. I did it on my mom's Louis Vuitton bag too, but basically I like tied these Twillies on these bags, protect it, especially for the Louis Vuitton bag, but like also for this. And also just like it matches so nicely, and it like, it just gives it a little bit of flair and a little bit of fun. And they're so easy to do. Like it's just, and I'm not buying, these aren't expensive. I know like I'm such like a, what is it, a word where you're like, a contradiction? Where you like do something and then something else. It's like where I love to spend money on fancy things, but I hate spending money on food and water and like basic necessities. Same way, I'll buy the nice bag, but I don't want to spend $200 on a Twilly. So I buy these Twillies from Amazon that are like $10 instead of, you know, $200 each. So anyway, these Twillies are like $10 and they last for a little bit and eventually go. But it's a great way. Look, it just matches so nicely. You can get like every color and match the bag, and I think it just adds so much. And it's really easy to tie on. You just tie them. You just like flap. You tie it really tight and divot. But also, I think it's cool because not like these Goyard bags are getting so common now, right? Like everybody's starting to have them, and they're just making me like them less and less. I tie them to make them stand out a little bit more, right? To make them a little more unique, especially because everyone has them. It makes them stand out a little tiny bit more, which I like. Her, I'll never worry about because no one ever has this bag, which I love. This is my unicorn bag. This is one of my unicorn bags. And like, so I don't worry about that, but like the blacks and the grays and the other colors that I have, like people are starting to get them. Anyway, also, you know, this is brand new. This one, like those flaps are so flimsy, like these are still sturdy and firm. And I can maybe do a comparison of like wear and tear of like 1 year use of this versus one of these. You know, do that in another video. Okay, but like this is, everything's still very stiff, right? This is very loose and soft and squishy, and everything here is still stiff and firm, and these are upright. Also, I didn't realize my bracelets are in here. I'll take those out. But like, if you wanted to reverse, right? And most people don't reverse this bag because they think you can't, but this is literally the definition of reverse. I know the Anjou is reversible because the other side's a lot of leather, but this bag was made to be reversed. Like this is literally supposed to be used this way when you go to the beach, right? After you get wet stuff, to protect the linen and to protect, you're supposed to actually reverse it and wear it this way. You're supposed to actually reverse it and wear it this way when you take it to the beach, whatever. Anyway, without this, it looks a little plain, but now with this, it looks a little fun, right? It's got a little bit of flair, and you can wear it this way, and I don't know. I think it's so cute. And I do like wearing the bag this way because it lets me wear it this way too. And I love wearing my rose gold this way too. And then you got that inside, which is always fun to look into. I don't think I've seen anyone else do this, so you saw it here first. I'm starting this trend. I gave it to my aunt in India when she came. I got an artois for her. She had asked me to get it for her, the navy one. And she liked the Twillies that were on my mom's bag, so I gave her a set of navy Twillies with a little red accent to match because it was the bag's navy and then it has the red accent on the artois. Like the artois has that red in here, the stitching inside, to like pay homage to their log making red, I think was their original color, or somehow pay homage to the early Maison. You could read about it on the artois, like somewhere on their website. Anyway, so I gave her the Twillies and she was like, no one in India is gonna do this because like in India, it's all about like having something that nobody has and not being as common because there's so many fakes. First of all, like they fake everything right away. You could just buy fake bags right on the street of any brand, every brand, and it's not even like policed or monitored or anything like that. And people like to have like stand out the latest, the most unique, or like just be a little flashy. It's just like how Indian culture is in general. So everyone in India wants this one. Like they all keep asking me, how do they get this one? Can I get this? Can I get this one? I'm like, you can't. You can buy it on the resale market for freaking, what's it called? An upcharge, a surcharge, a premium. You can buy it on the resale market if it's available. There's only a few, I think, that I saw last time I checked that are new, or you can buy it used, whatever. They don't like to buy used. Indians. These you can get more common, so she wanted to stand out a little more, so the Twillies are gonna make it stand out a little more, which is why I do it too. But also, it sounds like if you bring that trend there, remember, got it here first. So if it starts happening in India, sure. And she's like a very prominent Indian lady who's, you know, very well in the society, and her husband is very well known, and you know, it could easily catch on.
But another thing, if you like to protect your bags and you want them to last longer and you don't want to, what I did was a little hack. I didn't do it for this one because I tore it off right away. A little hack you can do is, if you have just bought the bag, you can keep the plastic on and tie this over. So you're protecting it twice. The plastic's still on and you're tying it over. And you can't even tell the plastic's still on because it's under these twillies. So you're protecting the leather twofold, keeping it a new, fresh look, and have a cool styling thing. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's really cool. Okay, that's all. I can show you how I tie one if you really want, but I tie them super tight. And you can always add different colors, or you could do 2 different colors if you wanted to. You could do this and then add and pull them really tight. I do love this pink because I have my pink bag charms that would match this perfectly. This I didn't do all the way right because I did it shorter, but you get the general idea. That's what it would look like, right? Whoa. Woo! See, now I have way too much on the side. Oopsies! I messed up. But you get the point, right? It still works. Now it's just going to have a really long this side and a really short that side. But that's what it looked like. And that's what it looked like with 2 different ones, which is also kind of fun, which is what people do with their Birkins. They get 2 different color ones. Why should these bags be any different, right? Birkin, Goyard, they're all bags. They're all the same. They're all the same, right? You can do what you want. And also, I kind of like this double twilly look, because then you have 2 little things coming out. Actually, I might do this more often. That's kind of fun, right? Okay, I just started a new thing that I'm going to do. I'm definitely going to do a double twilly from now on. Wow, look what I just discovered. Yay for me. That's all I got for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends, family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know you're precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Goodbye.